Hello, grade 2 mathematicians. Today we are going to be learning how to do word problems. Word problems are really tough, but I think you are going to be able to do it. Our learning target today is I can solve word problems where I need to find more or fewer. And these are the key words for us today. Being able to find more and fewer is a little bit tricky. Let's see if we can do that. We're going to start, and I'm going to have some problems here. We're going to find out how many fewer. So, I'm going to start with problems here. I have some triangles. Looks like I have two triangles, 1, 2, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Are there more triangles or more circles? That is correct. There are more circles. If there are more circles, it means that there are fewer triangles. Fewer means not as many. We use fewer for things that we can count. For example, we say that people have fewer legs than cats, since we know that people have 2 legs and cats have 4 legs. Fewer is less. So here in our example, we have fewer triangles. But how many fewer are there? So the way we find how many fewer is kind of the same way we would figure out how many more. Let's look at that. The circles have 2 and then 3 more, and the triangles have 2 and no more. There are 1, 2, 3 more circles than there are triangles. And if there are 3 more circles, it means that there are 3 less triangles, 3 fewer triangles. And so whatever it is more, it's the same for fewer. Let's do a couple together. Are there fewer triangles or circles? Okay. Logan says there are fewer circles. How many fewer? So I'm going to use this diagram to help me. I see that there are 1 that matches, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more triangles. If there are 4 more triangles, there are 4 fewer circles. We'll do one more like this. We have 3 triangles, 4 circles. Fewer triangles or fewer circles? That is correct. Noah, there are fewer triangles. How many fewer? Well, not very many fewer. Only 1 fewer. 1 more circle and 1 fewer triangles. All right, let's take this to the next level. I'm not going to show you a diagram of our triangles and circles. I'm just going to tell you how many we have. So with our first question, we have 7 circles and 3 triangles. Do we have fewer circles or fewer triangles? Okay, that is correct, Raina. We have fewer triangles. But how many fewer? We don't have our diagram to use. So one thing we can do is to take the larger number and subtract the smaller number. And that will tell me how many more there are and also how many fewer. So I look at this, I have 7 minus 3, and that's going to tell me how many more or how many fewer there are. So if I start at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 4 more. I could also do it the other way. I could start at 7 and count backwards. 7, 6, 5, 4, and I would end up at 4, and I would get the same answer either way. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, I have 15 circles and 9 triangles. Which is fewer? The triangles. So I will take my number that is more, and I'll subtract the number that is fewer. 15 minus 9. I can count up from 9 to 15. I can count down from 15 to 9. I'm going to count up this time. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's 6 more, but also 6 fewer. 15 minus 9 is 6. And that's how we can find more or fewer. Oh, I have another hard one. 23 circles and 21 triangles. Which one is fewer? It's triangles again. How much fewer? Well, let's take the one that's more, 23, and we'll subtract the one that's fewer, 21. And how many more is that? Oh, that's very good, Cole. It is 2 more. And if it's 2 more circles, then it's 2 fewer triangles. Excellent. Let's increase the difficulty. Here's a bonus one. Yikes. I have 89 circles and 97 triangles. Which one is fewer? That is correct. Circles are fewer. So I'm going to take the one that is more, 97, subtract the one that is fewer, 89, and how many fewer or how many more? Oh, I think this one might be too hard for me. But I think I can start counting at 89 and count up to 97 and see how much that is going to be. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Oof, I got 8. So 97 is 8 more than 89. That means 89 is 8 fewer than 97. Okay. Let's turn it into a word problem because that's our target. Can we solve word problems? Let's see. It says, Caleb has 5 shells. Joshuana has 8 shells. Who has fewer? Caleb, we'll underline Caleb. He has fewer. So how many fewer? How many fewer? Well, Joshuana has 8. Caleb has fewer, 5. How much less is that? 8 minus 5. Is that 3? Okay. 8 minus 5 is 3. Caleb has 3 fewer than Joshuana. Let's see. Bryn has 13 raisins. Jacob has 3 raisins. Who has fewer raisins? Jacob has fewer. How many fewer? Let's take Bryn. She has more. We'll subtract Jacob. I'll underline him. We know he's the one that's fewer. 13 minus 3. 10. Okay, thank you for that answer. 10 fewer. Jacob has 10 fewer raisins than Bryn. And that's how we would answer problems that are word problems with more and fewer. Have you met our learning target? If so, then you can show me with some work. Let's do pages 159 to page 162. Okay. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a fantastic afternoon.